Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make slime with glue stick with a glue stick. See, it's going to look like this. People are always asking me, "Will it work? Will it work?" I'm like, "Yeah," at school because I tell them. So I'm not really gonna do it because today when I did it, my hands got really messy. So all you do is grab a glue stick. You rub it around one hand, like, let me see, whoa, like, you grab it, rub it around like that, and then, you start, like, moving your hands like this together, look, so, you start moving your hands together like this, like I'm gonna do it on the phone, like that, and moving it like that, and then like that, so, and then when it like looks like this, you start getting. There will be little pieces, so um, you need to grab all of them. Yeah. So bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Um, if you ever went to the symphony downtown, please comment down below. Please and thank you.